Hello lovely people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe I'm sharing with you this amazing snack that's very easy to make and turn out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because trust me, this is delicious. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl I added in flour, eggs, baking powder, salt and water. I stirred till well combined. The water, I didn't add it to it all at once, bit at a time. So I stirred till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. You do not want any lumps in the batter, so please make sure you add in the water bit at a time until you've added in all as demonstrated in the video. So once you've got to this point, go ahead and add in spring onion and fresh chopped parsley. The parsley that I added is totally optional. If you don't love parsley, you can just avoid it, or you can just use dried parsley. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Set it aside and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, go ahead and preheat your oil. You want your oil to be hot, and then add in your ladle. Scoop about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the butter and then let it sit for at least 30 seconds. Now scoop the oil, the hot oil on top, like dip it again in the oil and then shake the ladle. After some minutes, just put it back in the oil and then fry. We are using the ladle because you want to give it that shape, and it's very simple making it. If you don't understand anything, please watch the video carefully, and it's the easiest recipe ever. It is delicious as well. Your kids will love it. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Just stay close to it and keep turning it, keep flipping it until it turns to slightly golden brown and you're good to go. So at this point it wasn't ready. If you want a crispy skin, let it fry for some minutes, let it get brown, but not that dark brown. So at this point it's ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel, and basically that's the easiest recipe you ever make, and it's so delicious. I hope you try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Look at this, guys. This is delicious. Not just delicious, beautiful and ginamicious. Please share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.